'Twas the night before Christmas.
When all through the school,
the teachers sat in their Zooms,
mouths dripping with drool.
The scores were all entered
and thought out with care.
So like it or not,
grade soon will be there.
The students were nestled all snug in their beds,
while visions of imposters danced in their heads.
Dr. Tung in his office and Miss Mara on her phone
had just placed an order for a latte with foam.
When out in the NPR, there arose such a clatter.
We sprang up from our classrooms to see what was the matter.
Away to the Zoom we flew like a flash.
Tore open our Chromebooks, called a meeting real fast.
The stage was still dusty. It hadn't been used.
But it still had the magic from students who grooved.
When all of a sudden, with a great deal of bliss,
we noticed the students of Lone Hill that we all dearly miss.
All in their math, so lively and quick.
We knew in a moment this wasn't a trick.
More rapid than lions, all 6 feet apart.
And they whistled and shouted with all their hearts.
On science, on English.
Now math and PE, on specialized instruction and history.
The electives, the CAF custodians, front office too.
Now zoom away, zoom away, zoom away, woo!
And then in the flesh, they remembered the struggle.
A bad Wi-Fi connection.
And internet trouble.
The Chromebook's not charged, and my dog is still barking.
The computer just crashed, and I must be restarting.
The teacher is glitchy.
Everything was delayed.
Canvas is crashing.
Sister's asking for braids.
Mom, can I have braids?
The dog is still barking, and the doorbell is ringing.
And my dad's shirtless and singing.
And then they remember as they think of the year
that no matter what problems, their teachers are here.
Even sometimes when students are off task and sus,
all of their teachers love them so much.
And with a wink of their eye and a twist of their head,
they try to remind students daily there is nothing to dread.
But for now we will exclaim as you log off for the day.
We wish you a ton, have a great holiday. We wish you a ton, have a great holiday.
Mouths dripping with drool.
The scores were all entered.
The grades are all entered.
A bad Wi-Fi connection.
And internet trouble.
And they whistled and shouted with all of their hearts. Ho, ho, ho.
What?
Does that look good? Do I look Santa Claus-y?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The stage was still dusty. It hadn't been used. Chromebook's not charged, and my dog is still barking.
Okay, can be serious.
Okay.
Go.
And thought out with care. I did it again. I did it. Weird. Whatever.
Okay, go. I'm just still videoing you.
Oh.
Go. Just do it again. Come on, Kimmy.
And thought out with care.
But what about the puppy?
And thought out with care.
That's good.